welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And here is Loli. We're going to take video. That she is very active to play. Look guys. Look what she's doing. I don't have live because I have no viewers. So, ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong ginagawa ni Loli guys. Ayan, pero ang mga Pilipino hindi mahilig sa unggoy. Loli! What again? What? Oh, she come again and she want scratch. Scratch guys, look. Gusto niya na naman ang kamot sa likod niya. Nag-English tayo guys kasi yung mga foreigners natin, mga viewers, hindi daw nila maintindihan. Kaya English tayo muna. Ay, ang puwet. Loli? Are you okay, Loli? Kiss, Loli, kiss. You don't like kiss, Loli, ha? Play. Sino yan? What's that, Loli? What's that? Die. Where's Die? Where? Nasaan si Day? Ang Day yung kasama ko, Day. Ay, guys. Mga kababayan. Tingnan mo ang Lolita. Tingnan mo ang Lolita. Masikip naman yata. Na.
Ano ba rin ko? Ito saglit naman, di ba tapos? Anong tanong ko yung kanina? Itlog lang ang bakit? Di mo ko naghanap ng karot? Yala! Saan yung hari ulit ko? Tama rin ba?
Come here, Loli. Come here. Loli, come here. Here, you don't have food, huh? Finish. Sabi niya.
I know!
Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Tawagin na kalit eh.
This is...
Go to kalit!
Okay. This...
Gusto niya ni kalit.
Okay guys, thank you so much. God bless you everyone. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kalinga para Bal Santos Matubang, Pugong Biyahero guys. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you so much. Bye.